Belarus prioritizes crypto mining amid push to break dollar dominance. Bitcoin. Crypto mining. Belarus expands crypto mining using nuclear power surplus as President Lukashenko frames digital assets as key to reducing dollar dependence amid accelerating global de-dollarization trends. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 46 minutes ago. Belarusian President Aleksandr Lukashenko has positioned crypto mining as a strategic pathway toward reducing global dollar dependency, announcing aggressive expansion plans during a government meeting on energy policy. The directive builds on previous commitments to transform the country's surplus nuclear power capacity into a competitive advantage for digital asset production. At the same time, broader geopolitical trends accelerate de-dollarization across multiple continents. According to a local report, Lukashenko dismissed concerns about market volatility during the November 14th meeting in Minsk, framing crypto as an inevitable component of international efforts to establish monetary alternatives. Our entire world is now grappling with a global problem, namely moving away from dependence on a single currency, the dollar, he told officials assembled to discuss electricity consumption strategies and nuclear capacity development. This process will intensify. Cryptocurrency is probably one of the options. Belarus builds mining infrastructure on nuclear foundation. The president's endorsement follows months of groundwork aimed at positioning Belarus as an attractive destination for international mining operations. Lukashenko in March ordered Energy Minister Aleksandr to utilize the nation's electricity surplus for crypto production, explicitly referencing developments in Washington, where President Donald Trump announced plans for a national Bitcoin reserve. We can see the direction the world is heading in, especially the largest economy in the world, Lukashenko stated while suggesting Belarus might eventually establish its own national crypto reserve rather than simply attracting foreign investors. Belarus has anchored its mining ambitions on the Belarusian nuclear power plant, which achieved full operational capacity of 2,400 megawatts following the November 2023 activation of its second unit. The infrastructure upgrade resolved previous power shortage issues that had hindered earlier attempts to court mining firms to Minsk's high-tech park. Russian and Chinese investors have reportedly expressed interest in Belarus-based projects, drawn by incentivized electricity tariffs now possible through the expanded nuclear output. Beyond mining, Belarus is preparing to launch its central bank digital currency by late 2026. The national bank plans to onboard businesses before extending access to government agencies and citizens in 2027. The Digital Ruble initiative closely coordinates with Russia's parallel CBDC development, as both nations face sanctions pressure and seek alternative settlement mechanisms. However, Russia has delayed its own launch to mid-2026 due to technical challenges. Global de-dollarization trends accelerate Bitcoin adoption. Lukashenko's strategic pivot coincides with documented shifts in international trade settlement practices that extend far beyond Eastern Europe. Investment firm VanEck reported in April that China and Russia have begun settling some energy transactions using Bitcoin and other digital assets, while Bolivia announced plans to import electricity using cryptocurrencies. These developments gained momentum during the time when the Trump administration escalated trade tensions by announcing a 125% tariff on Chinese imports, which triggered immediate market responses, with Bitcoin jumping 5.6% to $81,636 within an hour of the announcement. At that time, China retaliated by hiking tariffs on U.S. goods from 34% to 84% on April 9th. However, a diplomatic breakthrough on May 12th led to a tariff détente, with the U.S. reducing duties to 30% and China lowering impositions to 10%. The U.S. dollar index dropped over 9% year-to-date to 99, amplifying what VanEck describes as Bitcoin's emerging role as a hedge against fiat debasement and geopolitical risk. Asia's billionaires have also responded decisively to these macroeconomic shifts, according to UBS executive Amy Low, who revealed at a Bloomberg event in Hong Kong that the region's wealthiest investors are reallocating assets from U.S. dollars into Bitcoin, gold, and Chinese markets. Asia's affluent investors now hold more than 15% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies and gold, a marked departure from traditional dollar-denominated portfolios. According to the Cryptonews report, 76% of Asia's family offices and high-net-worth investors hold digital assets, up from 58% in 2022, with many increasing crypto allocations from less than 5% to over 10% of total holdings. Singapore leads this transformation, with 57% of wealthy investors planning to expand their cryptocurrency positions over the next 2 years. The region's affluent class is projected to see its wealth grow from $2.7 trillion in 2021 to $3.5 trillion by 2026. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Bitcoin price prediction. BTC drops under $100,000. Is this the start of the crash everyone's feared? Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Why is crypto down today? November 14th, 2025. Why is crypto down today? November 13th, 2025. News. XRP price prediction. First U.S. spot ETF goes live today. Breakout to $100 starting. 1 day ago. By Aleksandr. Reach. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP Pepe, Ethereum by the end of 2025. 3 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Activity on the XRP ledger soars. Traders are watching this sneaky reversal. 12 hours ago. By Aleksandr. Reach. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in for November 2025. 17 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025. By Ben Beto.